Introducing Vahmuse, the first rideshare to give you cash back on rides. Rewards for passenger and drivers. We offer no surcharging for anyone. We also have affordable rates to fit your budget. We also have special corporate travel rates available for you. You can also schedule your airport pickup from to and from your destination. There's no more waiting for your rides. No more canceled pickups. We are Vahmuse, where we go the extra mile without the cancellations.